All right, boys, the stakes just got that much higher. This is week 5 of giving away all the money I make while trading. We've already given away over $4,200. Now, last week we made 10 grand and gave away 10% of it to strangers on the street while asking them questions about trading. This week we're doing something even more insane. So this week we're pushing double that. We were able to hit 10,000 in just 2 trading days last week. This week I have the full 5 days to trade because I'm sitting here in lovely Cyprus. So I'm gonna challenge myself to $20,000. Now, of course, if I don't make it, we're gonna do a humiliation and I have to wear these ridiculous shorts at the beach in public. Please don't make me do that. But of course, if we win, let's do a giveaway in the style of Maven. We got Seb here, and he's gonna be racing people on the street, and whoever can beat him in a race is gonna take all of the money that I make that I can give away. So whoever can beat that in a race is gonna get the full. But I still have a couple hours till market open, and we started the week really strong yesterday with $8,500. So we're only looking for another $1,250, and I got 4 days. So I think I'm gonna relax for a moment. Right, so looking at the market now, I've been looking for shorts going into this week simply because the monthly is not looking good as of last month. It's a brand new month, and the monthly candles really help us determine the direction for the following month, right? The weekly also closed pretty bearishly. Yesterday, we did pump up. Now, when you're looking at the pump yesterday, you can see we did actually gain a new high, and it does look relatively strong, bouncing off of these previous levels and continuing. Overall, I am bearish, so I do need to be careful that it might rally up to these next highs here. The current analysis is telling me it's actually going to be continuing up, but because of those weekly and monthly closes, I think late week, we're probably going to be coming back down, and we're just retesting these highs once again. See, that being said, I often have a plan of how the market's going to move. Now, I am overall bearish, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to take a long potentially today, because that's what the market is telling me for today. Now, until we see a reason to get short or a significant level is hit on the higher time frames, then I'm going to continue with the trend, because the trend is telling me right now it's bullish. So I think it's going to retest those previous highs. Right, so I think I got too excited. Yesterday we were a little bit overeager. Today is maybe the last day of full focus, so I really need to focus today because Thursday, Friday, I'm actually traveling across the island I'm on in Cyprus. So I'm gonna have to be trading while remotely, meaning I still need to make another $1,300. I'm down to $7,000 profit. So this is getting really risky at this point. And I'd really rather just dunk my head and jump in this pool right now rather than do the humiliation and just run away from all my problems. But I made a commitment, and this is really, really difficult. That was honestly my first losing day in weeks. So when you lose and you're this consistent with your profitability, it's really, really damaging. So I have to be really careful today. I could mess it all up. I'm not gonna let that happen. Okay, so this might not be exactly allowed for the challenge, but because it's the last day, I'm really allowed to focus. I am trading the NASDAQ during the London session as well. There's a key level here that I want to be shorting. I'm just waiting for it to come up a sliver more. I will be talking about it on live stream, and this is the only trade that I will possibly be taking today before the stream starts. But it's a really, really good opportunity, and I have to take it. In order to hit that 20 grand profit in a week, it is incredibly difficult to do with only 5 total hours of trading. So I'm gonna allow myself to take an extra trade here, giving me a little bit more opportunity just in case we're not close enough. All right, so there's the trade taken. 3 lots short on the top there. Right, and there we go. It's been dumping. I just closed some out, sitting at, it just closed out some right there. You can see the actual trade being taken. If I zoom in some more so you can actually see proof of the trade here. Missed the second DCA, second entry rather, and we're gonna close out more soon as it goes down. Hopefully we continue seeing these closes, so it'll continue down. We should watch these candles to make sure they don't rally around, and we'll just let that ride. Now, this was a news release very, very easy trade. You can hear the sound of my personal account being closed out there too. Would have been, I'm gonna close this here. We'll click the close. We're gonna close it there. And you can see history, no funny business, extra 5 grand there, okay? So we're now sitting at 10 grand profit, okay? Now that might keep going. I'm gonna close out this resting order. We would have hit an extra 5 grand. We would have been hitting at 15 grand, but very, very close. It's unfortunate that we didn't hit that second one because we would have been so close, and we haven't even had, we still got 3 New York sessions left. But this might keep dumping. There's gonna be more coming on. I do still think shorts are gonna be in play. So we'll see what happens on the New York Open at this point. And of course, we made some more money. We're back. Back at it. We're at, there's all the trades for the day. I don't know if you can see. We need 7 grand more. Means we made like 8 grand or something today. We need 7 grand and $2, and we have 2 days left. That is easily possible at this point, but we got to do it on the road. All right, so you ready for the news? Day 4, we're done. Make it short and quick. We were able to actually lock in the final amount. The whole week I've been looking for these shorts, and the setup was perfect. It really rallied up. It showed a failure to gain, and we took a heavy short this morning, and then took a second short on the New York Open. So a double short, able to bang out 2 trades there with 1 loss where price went against me a little bit, and I had to close it and then re-enter. Screenshots are going to be on screen here. Everything is in the Discord, so make sure you join the Discord, which should be in the link in the description, so you can follow along on all these trades. Everything is shown live as I'm doing it. And you've got thousands of people in there to prove me wrong if I'm lying to you. That being said, I finished a day early because I wanted to have tomorrow off, honestly. Give me a challenge for next week because these are actually a lot easier than I thought. 20 grand in 4 days, boom. Challenge complete. So guys, an extra note is make sure you like this video and then watch it all the way through and send me proof to my Instagram at dumbmoneyhunter. I'm picking one person each week to win a $100,000 Maven account. This is all sponsored by Maven. Now, because the series hasn't gained enough traction yet, Maven has only allowed me to give away 10% of the earnings, which means 2 grand I'm going to be giving away this weekend. So make sure you check out the live streams. We're going to be doing a race against Seb, and I'm going to be giving 2 grand to somebody who can beat him in a race. I need a week where I'm actually going to lose. I need some harder challenges, maybe. I'm going to do some trading while parasailing or something crazy like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Okay, we decided to do the giveaway at the beach today. We're just going to do trivia and give, for every question they get right, €20. Hopefully they can stack up some questions. I'm going to try to make the questions harder and harder each time, see how far they go. And once they get one wrong, then move to the next person. Do you want to play a game of trivia? I'm giving out money if you get answers right. No, I'm not. No? Okay. Play a trivia game? No. I'm handing out money. Ah, mate. Okay, have a good day. I'm making a YouTube video. Do you want to play a trivia game with me to make money? No? All right, all good. You guys want to play?
I don't think so.
No? No, you don't know anything about trading? And I'm handing out money if you get any questions right. No thanks? Okay, bro. Have a good day. Holy shit, bro. I didn't know the trivia was gonna be so difficult. I gotta find some drunk people or something. It'd be so much easier if I go down a strip of drunk people. I've asked like 20 people already and nobody wants to make, I'm like, if they don't even understand to make like €100 in like 5 minutes, if you get a couple of these questions right, you can just randomly answer. Like some of these are easy. Like I'm gonna start with what is buy low, sell high? That's gonna be so easy. Everyone knows that. Okay, let's do it. Start easy. Every question you get right, you get €20.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, I know. So if you get one wrong, you're done, okay? What does buy low, sell high refer to in trading?
Right, let's just say Bitcoin. You're buying it when it's a low price, when it's basically crashed, and then you're going to sell it when it's high, so you get maximum profits.
Yeah, I'll give it to you, bro. I'll get it on the camera.
Oh man.
Okay, sweet. Next one. What are the 2 animals in trading? What are the what are
okay, bulls.
Yeah.
And bears.
Yes, sir. So dumb, right?
Oh man. Okay.
What is leverage? So we're getting harder.
I think I've heard this one in the clip. So if you want to place a bigger bet or buy or whatever it is, but you don't have the money yourself, I think you take it from somewhere else.
I'll give it to you, bro. Yes, that's it. Good stuff. Fucking €60 all of a sudden.
Oh man.
Okay, we're getting.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
No way, really? All right, if you get the next one, I'll give you 50 then. Okay. What is a short squeeze?
This one's a guess. A short squeeze is shorting is selling, I think.
Oh yeah.
So wait, is it when like there's like some news about like something's going to happen in the market, and then it's squeezing the price down, and then everyone's like selling, like panic selling.
Yes, I mean, kind of. They're
and then people obviously buy after the panic period.
No, not really, but it's okay. So it is like a really panic move where everyone needs to cover their positions, right? I'm gonna give you fucking 20.
I love your tattoo.
Let's do one. Let's do one more.
Yeah.
Let's do one more, bro.
Okay.
Let's do one more. Okay, we're gonna get hard here, I think. Okay, we'll just do this one. What is slippage?
Oh God. Okay. Slippage is when you're placing a order or and oh God, is it the spread? Okay, wait.
You know this shit.
Is it the spreads like? No, it's not. No, it's not spread. Okay, it's when you're placing the bet and the price moves a little bit, and you're basically losing money because it's slipped.
Bro, that's so close. Here, you take that one. I'll give you one more. You did a clean sweep. I'll give it to you.
Okay,
good work,
thanks,
mate.
Man.
Yeah, that's it. That's all. I think you made €100 or something like that, eh?
Oh.
All right, start with an easy. Start with an easy one. What is an index?
An index is a place for example, for a number.
Or an index in the trading, like the trading term, an index.
Isn't it like index funds?
Yes.
Somehow.
What is an index fund?
Let's give him a hint. The S&P.
What is the S&P?
Okay, the S&P is a collection of.
There you go. Okay, we're gonna give it to you. I can't have you lose on the first one. There's 20.
Nice.
It's a lot for such a dumb question, eh? All right. Next question. What is a stop loss?
Stop loss is, for example, if you put a stop loss on something, and then if it turns to this type of this amount, it will literally stop.
So
like you won't.
Invest into,
yeah, buddy.
That's
so dumb, right? So dumb. I love it. What time does the New York Stock Exchange open?
11 a.m.
New York time.
Yeah, 7 a.m. maybe. Last.
My last call is 2 p.m.
Well, no, that's the game.
So what's in America? Or when does it open?
9:30 a.m.
9:30.
Yeah.
9 a.m.
Okay, we'll start with the easy ones, huh?
Yeah, there you go.
What's your name again?
It's Alexander Garcia.
Alexander Garcia. Right on, easy. Okay. Okay, super easy. What is the opposite of a bull market?
A non-bull market.
Okay, maybe I should start easier.
Yeah.
He said he didn't know a thing, so okay, what is the color representing of a rising stock price?
Green.
Green, yeah, green. Okay, €20, easy.
God bless.
All right, what is the tech index in the US that holds Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft?
NASDAQ.
There you go. Yeah.
NASDAQ.
Next one. Okay.
I've got to get one. Come on.
They'll get harder as we go. Okay. Actually, let's. What does IPO stand for?
International price. I don't know.
Do you know it? Nah.
Can you give us the answer?
Yeah. Better luck next time. Hey, initial public offering.
Ah.
Yeah, it's when a stock is released to the public,
Okay.
and then basically for the first time you can actually start buying it. All right. What day of the week does the stock market open?
Wednesday.
Better luck next time.
Told you. I don't know what's the star market.
Give her another one.
What does it mean to be in the red?
It means that you're in debt.
Oh, yeah, it's close enough. Yeah. There you go, €20. Woo!
Yeah.
What does buy low, sell high refer to?
It means when the stocks are down, you buy. When the stocks are high, you sell.
That's the one.
Come on, Kingsley.
I think you get that one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Come
you get that
Come
one,
on,
though.
Kingsley, see?
What are the two animals in the stock market? What are the two representing opposing markets? They're animals.
Bears and the bull.
There you go.
Come on, Kingsley.
Yeah, easy. Racking them up.
Come on, come and help
If you want to
me.
answer any more questions, you got to get
I
on
need to
camera.
get on the camera.
You got
Yeah.
Come on.
Name one index.
The NASDAQ.
That is a NASDAQ. Yeah. We can do the NASDAQ again, I suppose. There you go. Yeah.
Aztec. It is an Aztec.
Repeat.
Okay.
Say the Dow Jones.
The Dow Jones.
Oh well, yeah.
The Dow Jones.
We're going a little harder. Okay.
Okay.
What is an ETF?
I know, but
What's the ETF?
If anyone knows what an ETF is, come on camera, you get €20.
What's ETF? What's
She got
ETF?
$20.
What's ETF?
What's an ETF?
extraterrestrial fucking motherfucker.
ETF. Come on.
Very pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Oh,
That's the game.
What was it?
Thanks for-
What was it anyway?
It's a exchange traded fund. So I would have taken any sort of investment fund. Okay, so the guy that we just met, he said he's here on a wedding. So I'm gonna go try to find the bride of the groom, and we got €300 here to gift him. for their wedding gift. Hey brother, I got one more question for you. Who was having the wedding?
Bradley Woolhead, that's son.
Yeah, is he here?
Unfortunately not, no.
It's your son?
Yes.
Okay, then I can give him a wedding gift then, hey? I'm
Yes,
gonna wait.
please.
Here, wait, I'm gonna get you on camera.
Oh my god!
There you go.
Oh my
Enjoy,
god.
guys. Yeah.
Thank you! Oh my god!
Yeah, just a fist bump.
Oh my god! Thank you so much. That's
Hey,
so
cheers,
much.
bro. Hey, hey,
It's all love,
pleasure.
bro.
Yeah.
Peace and love, my
Yeah,
brother.
pass that on to your son, eh?
Oh
Okay.
my god! Thank you so much.
Ciao.
This was the video here.
That's my son.
It's a,
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
stunning.
Was it right here in Paphos?
It's the one at the
Yeah,
airport.
Yeah, unreal.
I mean, it's been 2 years in the prepping and planning, so I mean...
2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Saxophone.
Sax player. I love it.
It was
Sexy
phenomenal.
sax.
Yeah.
Come on, man. God bless him. Yeah.
He's like a
Unreal,
goody
guys.
goody.
That's the video, I suppose.